Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you all quick and easy 5-minute makeup. So quick and easy 5-minute makeup is actually like a challenge, and you have to prioritize your makeup items that you need to use, that are the most important items for you, that you cannot skip and you cannot leave the house without. So I will be taking up this challenge for the first time, so let's get started. So this is the timer for 5 minutes. I'm gonna tap to start once I'm ready. I'm about to start and I've taken out my priority items already. So now it's just the time to start the timer. So 1, 2, 3, go, start. I can't be showing you all the items because I'm timing. I don't have time, I use my hands, period. So this can be a good learning for people who only have 5 minutes in the morning to get up and get ready for office. They can't afford a single minute. So the thing is, this challenge actually helps you to know what is the basic thing you cannot skip in your makeup regime. And I hope I didn't miss any of the spots. This is the quickest, and if I miss something, so I'm assuming I'm gonna be doing it in the car when I have time. Just an example. Okay, I'm talking too much. Yeah. It's no time at all now. Concealer. Not too much. Oh God. I'm not gonna put on my whole eye for sure. Too much makeup. The blender again. Blend. Oh God, I'm losing all time so badly. Okay. We are going to take off extra concealer maybe in the end now. Don't have time. Okay. Great. Next. Okay, eyebrows. Come on. You can do that. You can put the mascara later on also. Okay. Eye color. No. Yes. Now next eye. Whew. Almost the time is over. Tint. Last. I don't have much time. Ta-da! 5-minute makeup, quick and easy, and I'm ready to go to the office like this. So guys, this is how I do my quick 5-minute makeup when I am under stress and I don't have time and I have to leave house as soon as possible, and I can not go like that and I have to look presentable. So this is how I do my makeup with the less of the items and the max I can do. So the most important thing in 5-minute makeup is that you should know what are the basic things that you need, the basics according to you, not just according to me. So for me, the basics I used in this makeup was a primer. Second, I used BB cream. Third, I used the concealer. I used Bobbi Brown concealer. Then I used lash curler. I used mascara. I used Benny tint. Then I used what? Let me check. Yeah, I did bit of my brows. That was again Benefit Brow. And that's it. Assuming that I'm gonna put the compact in the car, so I can save my time on that, and I can do all these things sitting in the car. When I'm at a signal, I'm doing something or the other, I'm touch up before going to the office or some other meeting, wherever I'm going. So that's it. This is how you all can prioritize your makeup and be very quick in your makeup in 5 minutes. Guys, I hope my video helped, and next time it will be very easy for you and you will not be under pressure when you have to step out of the house ASAP. So do comment and let me know how did you like my quick 5-minute makeup tutorial. See you guys next time. Bye bye.